And a very good morning, everybody. Good morning and welcome to the Ascension. How are we all doing today? Welcome. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us here on this beautiful day at sea. Here today, ladies and gentlemen, we get to honor all of the different nationalities that we have here on board, which is represented by our incredible crew members. So ladies and gentlemen, at this time, put your hands together. Let's hear it for all of our different crew members from the different nationalities in an international parade of flags. Here on board the Jewel of the Seas, we have a total of 844 crew members working right on board. And of those 844, we are representing 69 different nationalities. Isn't that amazing? So now, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to read out a list of the different nationalities that we do have here on board. I'm going to do it in alphabetical order. What I would like from you is when I read out each nationality, now whether you have been to that country, You're from that country. You've just heard of that country. I want you all to give me a big whoop. We'll try that again. Give me a big whoop. There it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, starting off with our very first one, we have 11 crew members from Argentina. 3 from Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your dancers representing Australia. We have 1 from Bahamas, 1 from Barbados, 1 from Belarus, 2 from Belgium, 29 from Brazil. Let's hear it for Jacob, one of your dancers here on board, everybody. Oh yes, and we have 2 from Bulgaria, 1 from Canada, 1 from Chile, 4 from China, 12 from Colombia, 1 from Costa Rica, 11 from Croatia, 2 from Dominica, 6 from the Dominican Republic, 1 from Finland, 1 from France, 1 from Gambia, 3 from Greece. We have 1 from Grenada, 2 from Guatemala, 1 from Guyana, 1 from Haiti, 3 from Honduras, 1 from Hungary, and 121 from India. Macedonia. 3 from Madagascar. 2 from Malaysia. 1 from Malta. 30 from Mauritius. 26 from Mexico. Nicaragua. 1 from Norway. 1 from Panama. 4 from Peru. And the largest representation here on board, 242 from the Philippines. We have 4 from Poland, 1 from Portugal, 13 from Romania, 4 from Russian Federation, 2 from St. Lucia, 23 from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, 5 from Serbia, 1 from Slovakia, and 23 from the greatest country of them all, South Africa. It's still the best. We have 3 from Spain, 2 from Sweden, 2 from Thailand, 18 from Trinidad and Tobago, 1 from Tunisia, 3 from Turkey, 10 from the Ukraine. We have 16. 6 crew members, and 1,878 guests from the United States of One more time, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for these incredible crew members right here on board the Columbia. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you might not necessarily see your flag over here, but our crew members here, they're holding their flags loud and proud, representing their countries here today. They are so excited to represent. So, ladies and gentlemen, one more time, make some noise for the crew, the officers, and the staff of the Columbia. Although, ladies and gentlemen, they now need to make their way back to work. So, one more time, let's hear from our incredible crew members over here as they make their way back to work. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us here for this fabulous event of the International Parade of Flags.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.